Okay, good afternoon, everyone. It is Wednesday, May 29th at the KIT Iizuka campus. This is class 5th period, English 7 C. I have a lot to do today because at the end of the class, hopefully by around, I would say 5:05 or so, I want to give you your, coming down here, there we go, your Moodle test, okay? I don't think it will be a very difficult test. It's only 40 minutes. Probably most of you will be able to leave in about 20 minutes, 25 minutes. I don't think it'll take you that long. But please make sure your headphones are working. Make sure your computer is ready to go. Otherwise, let's take a look at what else you have to do. I have to make sure that everybody is ready for next week's conversation test. So this week, we have a Moodle test. Next week, we have our speaking test. And in that speaking test last week, most of you already chose your partner. You sent in your partner's name with each other, and that's fine. But there are about 4, maybe 5 people that have not yet chosen a partner. Now, if I look at, where is it here? There we go. Partner name and student submission, and I switch this back over to my teacher role. There are, well, there's supposed to be 45 people here. There's supposed to be 45 students in this class, but I don't think so. It's probably more like 40, and 35 people have submitted their partner names. That should actually be 36 or 34 because it should be an even number. For the people who have not yet submitted their partner's names, I want to check to make sure that everybody's ready. So while everybody else is working on the Quizlet material for today. By the way, this Quizlet material, of course, this is not on the Moodle test today. This is not on the Moodle test today. This is going to be on the test at the end of the semester. The test is about units 1 to 6, and the textbook that we studied before last week, before this week, I should say. Okay, so the thing that we have to do is go over your partner's names, go do your Moodle test, and the only assignment that you have to do this week is your reflection. Go home before Friday, watch this video, think about what it says. I think it's actually very important. Everything that we do is what we do in our brains. And I'm not sure, but I think what this says in my brain, this is true. My brain works in a different way. I actually have learned 4 languages. I've learned Tagalog in the Philippines, I've learned English, I've learned French, and I've learned Japanese. So I'm not really bilingual, but I only speak 2 languages now. And what this says is true. So please pay attention to this, write your answer, take a picture, send it up to Moodle. Otherwise, this is this week's Quizlet set. This is Quizlet 7 to 8. Okay, so if your partner is already set, okay, what I want you to do is go through these flashcards by yourself. I'll talk to the people who don't have their partners, and then we'll be able to quickly do this as a warm-up and maybe just a little bit more work for the conversation test next week. Okay, so if anyone has any questions about the test or anything else, you can always contact me at jdmcruz@gmail.com or come to my desk after the class. Otherwise, let's have a good class, everyone.